Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Sue's Cooking and Outdoors. For supper, I will do a homemade white rice. I will use the basmati long grain rice. I enjoy very much cooking with this rice. So I will get started. I need 1 cup, looking for my opening here. I need 1 cup of the rice. But I always rinse my rice. Because whatever is on it, powders and different things, well, I always rinse it. So that is in there. I will need 1 3/4 cup of water. Okay, I put in 1 cup, and I still use the 1 cup, but I only put it 3/4 full. 1 3/4 total. I will put in, well, I don't really measure the butter. Would you say that could be 2 tablespoons? And 2 tablespoons of powdered chicken broth. You could also use, like if you want to use 1 3/4 cup of a chicken broth in liquid. It's all up to you what you have in your cupboard. It's 1, 2. So I will put this on the stove on high just to get it to a boil point. Just mix it up a bit before. So while my rice is cooking, I need 2 garlic cloves, 2 celery sticks, I have 1 onion, and I'm going to put in some asparagus. But you could put whatever vegetable you want in there. It's all up to what you have in your fridge. So I will get this going. The rice has started to boil. I will put my heat down to simmer it. I have my garlic and onions chopped up. I will put my frying pan on to fry up my vegetables. Got it at the medium. And once in a while, I stir up the rice. I will have it on simmer until there's just not, when there's almost no more water in there. Then I will shut the heat off and let it rest for about 15 minutes. So that I have to check. I stir and I check that out. I like doing the rice sometimes. You can add whatever you want into it. Sometimes I can add hamburger meat in it, chicken, shrimp, or I can serve it aside. It all depends how each person like to do their cooking. I have in the freezer rice already prepared, frozen. That's for if I'm too tired to cook, but I do like to do my cooking. Now I add my celery to the Rest of the vegetables. I'm just waiting for that to heat up. I'll use a plastic spoon for that. You can see it is slowly thickening up. I let my vegetables fry a bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to transfer them over here. And I'm going to put a cover over them so that they can become tender. Now my rice, you see there's barely any water left in there. It's my indication that I will now shut off my heat. Put my cover on and just leave it there to settle. Okay, I finished cooking my meat. So while I cook my meat, that's when I let my rice settle. My meat is finished, so now what I will do, I've got my rice. Look at this. I will add my vegetables. I add that in here. And I mix it all up together. Some people add soy sauce. I eat it like this. Now let's taste it. It's gonna be hot. It's good. I like it. So thank you very much for watching my video, and until next time, you all have a great evening. Take care. Bye bye.